vibes, get out the way.
Yeah, we're nice.
That's too nice.
And then let's do the last one on top of that again.
Sure.
So can sound color, you know? One, two, three, let's go.
Bad vibes, bad vibes, get out the way. Bad vibes. Aquí wanna come alive. Go. Get a speaker. Go. Tell him get an Uber. Bitch. Now we keep another hit from the station.
Bros,
This is the real goosey.
bros, you coming with some other level, eh?
You must also use 0.5, ne?
Yeah, I'm on 0.
0.5 will make us look small. We'll be looking like.
But now you're a child, don't forget.
What size are you? Dog. 30.
I'm a pro who doesn't even know his size.
You don't know your size, boy.
Yo, bro.
You just rock something.
Go, Yongi.
Show kids when it's traveling go 34.
Probably, I don't know.
We might tell you. Yeah? Exactly. I'm not traveling that go, bro.
Yeah.
Who catch hand this?
Yeah, boy. Which look is this one, boy?
This cool.
Is this the look for this year, boy? Eh?
Do you remember this shirt? Do you remember this shirt? Do you remember it? Do you remember it? This is the one I was rocking. But mine doesn't have the black call. It's white. It's like white like this with the whole fabric. Yeah.
I got the
Boy.
No. You got the sellable one. I have the exclusive.
Boy.
I was crying about that team.
Boy. Lalela. Lalela. It's that rush hour.
Let's bring it down. Take it in there.
You niggas are fucking dumb, man. I just wanna come alive. Nah, Bruno, Qwaa. Got a little rush with my ear fingers to speak out. I come up a pretty groove, but right now it's in a little faster. You know my time. I just said we know my score, but I think you too lean for your chubby's ad. Tell them get a move,
So I go by the name of CJayMnandi, aka Jupiter Gigaman, Dona Pitori, Don Mera Fera Kamaragamba, Maskrala Fanjuana. So, Father, you guys are here to witness history in the making. But I'm not the brood that's behind the moment. You get what I'm saying? for this Qwaa to actually be possible, and the broer that put together this whole beautiful thing that is called Don't Kill My Qwaa is DF. So DF, my call, come on, let's clap hands for DF for sure.
Let's go.
Sure. The second brewer that came alive when it comes to the production. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The Qwaa and the Qwee and the Qwoo and the ooh yeah, it's true. Now that's Oofdawg. So Oofdawg, my brother, is the shoe.
How you guys doing? The name is DFWNE. I don't make music, I'm a painter. I like painting, you know. That's my cool. So how the song came about? Early in the morning. He didn't know. I was coming to a session alone. I texted CJ and I said, let's have a session. When I got to the session, I was like, hey, I gotta prove that I think let's pull up to the session. You know? And he said, yeah, man, call the brew. You know, the brew pulls up, call a couple of brews, you know? And I won't lie, I was fucking high. Fucking high. You know? Yeah, I was fucking high. And good vibes, man. Let me just say good vibes. Drove the song. But mainly it was inspired by the fact that the vibes were too nice. So no negativity inside the room would have actually been a thing, you understand what I mean? Everybody there was having fun. I was looking at everybody, I'm like, oh, everybody is happy, man. You know, so I was like, yo, I feel like this is the kind of year to get the bad vibes outside. You know, get it out the way. You know, that's when everything started. And this man here, right here, came alive with the technicalities, you know what I mean? Yeah, press the buttons and yeah.
I was swag tournament. Locomotive 10. Nilene swag tournament. Issue, angobana nemufu kikat makani kuzimalanga kamalanga. Kabiyamle CJayMnandi. As much as Norkani Kabzamni as when we're outside in Bram, that's where we meet our brothers and sisters in the culture space. We like connectors, creators, and doing. Can I get a home more? Can I get an issue? So if you have a big collaboration, and guys, but but me, I'm in a MC a big on collaboration. Where we are to rap, we are dance, we are break dancer, we are beatboxer. We find some way you and the art together. Young Sona. No more at where and Kabam Tam Tabangsha, Yabo. Issue. How more? Swing, tournament. Issue. To also touch on the swing stuff, so this has been my base for a while. Since I let the pram. No place to live in Prague, nothing. Just came to Jersey to hustle my goal. That's been my base for guys how many years. Just talking to my Wuda on whatever I wanna do. So Sharon, now it's yo bro. I have this idea. Young son, it's a place like a swing workshop. Now pull up, let's cut out, no nini, just come create. Young son, Sibem Unu, one, home issue.
I got a question for you specifically. This is kind of personal. I already fuck with the music so much. Congrats on the single. It's doing good. It's coming outside like it has to. And all of y'all jets. So yeah, the question is not necessarily based off the song, but the vision towards the song. Are you planning on giving us like something that we can visually understand based off the bad vibes being killed? Please let me know, sir.
Definitely. Visually so also. Yeah, we work on a music video right now. Yeah, we're currently trying to base the story up and sum it up into a whole little movie, So we're working on that. So it's definitely coming out soon. And also got something with Swag Josie that we shot. Yeah, I think it's gonna come out soon also. So yeah, visually so, the song will be interpreted. You know, yeah.
So I'm also a rapper, you dig? So my question for y'all is like those dark days, bro. Like when you feel like ain't shit, like nobody's connecting to you, or you ain't connecting, or you feel like you ain't doing enough. Like, how do you go through that? Like, how do you kill that mentality? If I may ask, my nigga CJ.
The numero uno thing to everything in life, the source and all of that is God. You get what I'm saying? Can I get an amen for God? Yeah. Like, Joe, now, I think Majita Bagawu that they can testify. Oh? And as much as I might look like a very, very rowdy rude dog, like my foundation is like God. You get what I'm saying? Like, no. Right now. You get what I'm saying? Because I'm feeling a certain way or whatsoever. Like God for me, numero uno, bro. All the depression, the anxiety, the doubting and whatsoever, bro, like God is like the cure, the source. You get what I'm saying? Then, like, if there's one thing that I want everyone just to cloud right now, is that anyone in this room has superpowers. And your superpower is you being you. That's what sets you apart. That's what sets you unique. You can't be CJayMnandi. You can buy everything that I have for that, but you can't put it on like CJayMnandi. I'm sorry. You still won't be CJayMnandi. You get what I'm saying? The only thing that makes you powerful is you being you. You get what I'm saying? Embrace that and kapow with that.
I think you too late when you told me that. Tell him get an Uber. Usa sosa giribari. No short don't go. Take out that shop. I just wanna come my ear